Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Short and System, Judiciary Notes, page number 13 and 14, dictation speed 100 words per minute. If you want dictation at 80 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75, and if you want dictation at 120 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready? Start. Conversely, the learned additional prosecutor general submits that the appellant was granted time to file reply to the show cause notice, but he opted not to file any reply that the appellant, on the other hand, challenged the authority of the court, which is not acceptable, and hence prays for dismissal of the appeal. Full stop. I have heard the learned counsel for the parties and perused the available record. Full stop. The appellant straightway lays himself at the mercy of this court and has surrendered himself unconditionally by submitting that any punishment given by this court will be accepted to him and begs for a lenient view. Full stop. However, this appears to be a serious matter in which prestige of the court is involved. Therefore, the appeal will be decided on its merits. Full stop. A lawyer cannot take the advantage of his position and does not enjoy a license to interrupt the judicial proceedings whenever he desires. Full stop. He should be mindful of the fact that prestige of the court is a common object of both bar and the bench. Full stop. In case the authority of the court is challenged, a lawyer will obviously be the immediate victim. Full stop. After having said that, this court has noticed that the impugned judgment was passed in a hasty manner without recording the statements of even lawyers, present in the court. Full stop. No proper time, even till rising of the court, was granted to the appellant to present his defense and explain the circumstances as well as the reasons behind his action. Full stop. It is commonly observed that during the proceedings of a case, lawyers tend to address the clerk or the court while somewhat halting or interrupting the proceedings temporarily on account of some emergency or on anticipation of an immediate response by the court. Full stop. However, if the court does not permit, the lawyers should wait until the proceedings are over. Full stop. It is a common experience that some lawyers adopt the high tones while addressing the court, which may cause annoyance to the presiding officer, so they should be careful. Full stop. Even otherwise, it is admitted that proceedings of the case continued, but the appellant kept on using the words full stop seemingly in the judgments on the subject. It has been recently held in the case of Rab Nawaz versus the state that provisions of section 228 PPC are attracted to a case involving insult or interruption during a judicial proceeding, but in the instant case, the insulting words are not stated and admitted no interruption in the proceedings had taken. Full stop. Similarly, in the case of Fayaz Hussain versus Tariq Mahmood, it is held that seeking adjournments does not constitute an offence under section 228 PPC. Full stop. In the case of Jahangir Akhtar versus the state, word zyadati used to inform the court with passion and sentiment is not held as an offence under section 228, PPC full stop, as per case reported as Haji Khawar Salim versus the state procedure under section 480 CRPC may be followed by the court, and in the judgment titled Muhammad Mushtaq versus the state reported as PLD 2003 Supreme Court 19, the court can proceed under sections 228. The complaint can be lodged by the concerned court or its superior court full stop. In my humbly view, in this case, the benefit of doubt goes in favor of the appellant, as neither the witnesses were recorded nor enough time was granted to the appellant to file reply to the show cause notice and put up his defense full stop. The required procedure was not adopted full stop. Therefore, I am inclined to grant the benefit of doubt to the appellant, as the exact action of interruption or insult was not explained as required under section 481. In this view of the matter, this appeal is allowed. The impugned judgment dated 1st July 2013, passed by the learned trial court, is set aside. Stop writing, please. Stop writing.